Hello and welcome to Movie Podcast in Slow English, the podcast where we have conversation in slow, easy English to help you learn. I'm Emma.
And I'm Mike. Don't forget you can find the subtitles to read along in the link below.
Hello, Mike.
Hello, Emma. Today we talk about Forrest Gump.
It's a great movie. It's from 1994.
Yes, Tom Hanks is the main character. He plays Forrest Gump.
Forrest is a special man. He is very kind.
But he is not very intelligent. He has a low IQ.
That's true. But he has a big heart. He is a good person.
The movie shows his whole life. It starts when he is a boy.
Young Forrest lives in Alabama. He has problems with his legs.
He wears special leg braces. They help him walk.
Other kids are mean to him, but his mother loves him very much.
His mother is wonderful. She always helps him.
She says life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Yes, this is the most famous line from the movie. It means life has many surprises.
Right. Now, let's talk about Jenny.
Who is Jenny?
Jenny is Forrest's best friend. They meet on the school bus.
Forrest loves Jenny. He loves her his whole life.
Jenny is kind to him, but she has a difficult life.
Yes, she has many problems. But Forrest always loves her.
Forrest is very loyal. He never forgets his friends.
That's true. So, what happens when Forrest grows up?
Something amazing happens. He becomes very fast.
Yes, one day, kids chase him. They throw rocks.
Jenny tells him, "Run, Forrest, run!"
He runs very fast. His leg braces break.
After that, he can run very well.
He goes to university. He plays football there.
Then he joins the army. This is during the Vietnam War.
In the army, he meets Bubba. Bubba is his friend.
Bubba loves shrimps. He talks about shrimps all the time.
Yes, it's very funny.
Bubba and Forrest want to start a shrimp business.
But something sad happens. Bubba dies in the war.
Oh, this is very sad. Forrest cries a lot.
Forrest also saves many soldiers. He saves Lieutenant Dan too.
Lieutenant Dan loses his legs in the war.
At first, he is very angry. He is angry at Forrest.
Why is he angry?
He wanted to die in battle. But Forrest saved him.
Oh, I see. But later they become friends.
Yes, they start the shrimp business together.
They call it Bubba Gum Shrimp Company.
They become very rich.
Forrest does many other things too.
Like what?
He meets 3 presidents: Kennedy, Johnson, and Nixon.
Wow! He also plays ping pong very well.
Yes, he goes to China. He plays ping pong there.
He even meets Elvis Presley. He teaches Elvis a dance.
Forrest does all these amazing things.
But he doesn't understand how important they are.
He just does what he feels right. He is simple and honest.
That's what makes him special.
Now, what happens with Jenny?
Jenny leaves and comes back many times.
She's looking for happiness. She makes some bad choices.
But Forrest always waits for her.
He tells her, I know what love is.
That's so beautiful. Finally, Jenny comes back.
She has a son. His name is Forrest too.
Is the boy Forrest's son?
Yes, but Forrest doesn't know at first.
Forrest is surprised. He asks, is he smart or like me?
Jenny says the boy is very smart.
But Jenny is very sick. She has a disease.
Yes, she doesn't have much time.
Jenny and Forrest get married.
But Jenny dies soon after. It's very sad.
Forrest takes care of their son alone.
The movie ends at the school bus stop.
Forrest takes his son to school, just like his mother did.
It's a beautiful ending.
So, what did you learn from this movie?
I learned that being kind is important.
Yes, more important than being smart.
The movie teaches us about love and loyalty.
And it shows us to never give up.
Forrest never gives up. He keeps going.
Even when life is hard.
There is a funny part too. Forrest runs across America.
Yes, he runs for 3 years.
People follow him. They think he has a big reason.
But he just feels like running.
Then one day he stops. He says, "Oh, I am tired. I'll go home now."
That's so Forrest.
Tom Hanks is amazing in this movie.
Yes, he won an Oscar.
The movie won 6 Oscars.
It won Best Pictures too.
The special effects are great.
They put Forrest in old videos. It looks real.
He looks like he's really meeting President Kennedy.
Very cool for 1994.
Let's review some vocabulary.
Good idea. First word, IQ.
This means intelligence. How smart you are.
Next word, loyal.
Loyal means you always stay with someone.
Like Forrest was Jenny.
Right. Next. Shrimp.
Shrimp is a small sea animal. You can eat it.
Bubba loved shrimp.
Next word, promise.
A promise is when you say you will do something.
Forrest kept his promise to Bubba.
Good. Next. Lieutenant.
This is an army rank, like lieutenant dam.
Last word. Destiny.
Destiny is your fate. What will happen in your life?
The movie asks, do we control our life?
Or does destiny control us?
It's a big question.
Lieutenant Dan believed in destiny.
But Forrest just lives day by day.
Maybe that's the secret of happiness.
So, should people watch this movie?
Yes, definitely.
It's funny, sad, and beautiful.
It's also good for learning English.
Why is that?
Forrest speaks slowly and clearly,
The language is not too difficult.
and the story is very interesting,
You want to keep watching.
even if you don't understand everything.
So go and watch Forrest Gump.
You will love it.
Thanks for listening to Movie Talk.
Practice your English by watching movies.
See you next time. Goodbye.